Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trey, the DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be demonstrating how to switch from sewing mode to embroidery mode and vice versa on the Brother SE600. Okay, first things first, you have to get your tools ready. So usually in this compartment that comes with your machine, there is this little tool. It kind of looks like, oops, I dropped something. It looks like this little key, like a little circle with a Q. I guess it looks like a Q. I don't know what this looks like. This kind of looks like the Google Maps symbol. Anyways, it's the tool so that you can unscrew something on the machine. I know like unscrewing stuff seems complicated on a sewing machine if you're a beginner, but don't worry, it's not as hard as it looks. It's actually a lot easier. And then you're going to need your embroidery foot. Now the foot is going to have this big circle space facing to the left. So this is the way it's going to sit. Basically, we're going to use this tool and we're going to unscrew it in here. Now first, a lot of people like to take off the foot. There is a lever in the back. Let me turn my machine so you can see. There's this lever back here. Back that if you push it, releases your presser foot. And then you can just put this aside. I'll just put my feet on the side there. And since we're already at this angle, let's see, there we go. I'm going to, it's already up at its highest level. I'm going to show you, this is the screw here on the side. It's on the left-hand side, and you're just gonna turn it away from you. Okay, so I just loosened it a little bit, and the foot will just drop. This, the holder will just drop right off. Okay, you don't want to take this screw all the way off. And you just set that to the side. Okay, so now to attach the embroidery foot, you're going to want this circle here, this big cap facing to the left in front of you, like this. And if you take a look on the side of this, there's this little notch right here. And this notch is what you want to be sitting on here in between this post and the knob, the screw. So you're just gonna kind of just finagle behind the needle and try to get this in, get that notch in here. Okay. And just push back on there. Let's just hold that there. I'm just gonna see if I got this right. You kind of won't know until you screw it in tightly, because you don't want this to fall. It does have a spring mechanism in the embroidery foot, so it makes it a little bit trickier to work with. But you want this to be able to move up and down, but you don't want this actual post to be wiggling. I'm just tightening it with my hand, and yeah, when you can no longer wiggle jiggle it, it should be on. So there we go. I'm gonna just double check here. And then also use your tool to tighten it back up. And you're all set, guys. Okay, so after tightening it with the tool, you put your presser foot back down. Just make sure it's not wiggling or jiggling. Looks good. Still able to move. Everything's nice and tight. And then we'll just do a little quick test of the embroidery to make sure it works. I almost forgot the last step. is to insert your embroidery arm. You have to take out this little sewing section here, sewing compartment. Take that off and put this on. And it will just clip in place. And now it knows to be in embroidery mode. Okay, and when you put your embroidery arm back in, make sure your machine is off, because if it was on during sewing mode and you slip this in and it's still in sewing mode, it's going to have an alert saying that a malfunction occurred and to turn your machine off and turn it back on. Okay, and as the usual warnings, and you can just like pretend to stitch something out really quick. Oops. Just gonna slip this here and just select something really quick. Okay, we'll just say okay to that. And so now let's just see. I didn't thread the machine, but I'm just going to see if foot works good. See that? Working good. All right. Alright guys, so that is how you change your Brother SE600 from sewing mode to embroidery mode, and to do embroidery mode to sewing mode is literally the same thing, just in reverse. You're going to unscrew this, take out this foot, put in the foot holder, and then clip back on the sewing foot. So yeah, thanks for joining me. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.